Hello and welcome to this video. If you are new to Obsidian, then this video is for you. My friends, there are some settings that are required when you start working on Obsidian. These are very helpful. For example, when you delete the files, where it goes. By default, it goes to Windows trash folder or recycle bin. Or when you create a new note, where it is stored. Then I will share you the line number. If you are a developer, coder or something, then you want a line number on each line in Obsidian text editor. Sometimes you want to count that how many lines you already written. I want a daily post similar to Seth Godin on my blog that are not more than 5 to 6 lines or not more than 500, not more than 300 words. So if you want something similar that you want to count the lines, then I will share you the feature. With the help of that, the line number will be shown in Obsidian. My name is Raza, and in this video I'm going to let's start the video. My name is Raza, and let's start. So for example, I am using this Obsidian from last 2 years, more than 2 years, and more than 5 or 6 years my notes are including in it from a different sources. So first of all, I am going to show you how you can set a default folder where your note will be stored. For this you have to click on the settings, then you have to go on files and links, and here is the option create folder to create a new note in. Right here I shared a link page. Why I use create a link page? Because whenever I create a link, whenever I click a link inside the note, automatically note goes here. So but whenever I click a new button for a new note goes here. Let me show you. For example, I go to click on this new, and you can see the link page. It contained summary of today. Right, I copied some notes from somewhere, and now I want to create some notes that automatically go in a specific folder instead to go into folders default into go Obsidian's default folder. So for example, this is word is crisis. I want to create a separate note on it. I select it and click on it. When I click it, here you can see another crisis page is created. So all my linked notes or some kind of where I can define my definitions of these terms or these sub pages automatically stored into a link folder. So that is the catch. Similarly, for example, this folder will automatically go into book summary, but the linked folders will be always creating a specific folder. Similarly, here is another topic, that unpredictable twist in life quakes, redefine meaning or purpose. So I want to define these two into another notes. So it automatically goes into linked pages. Wherever the note it create a note store, automatically goes there. Second thing I want to share with you is how to trade with the deleted notes. For example, if I click on a settings, and here is the option files. By default move into trash, but I want to move into either. I have two more options provide Obsidian. One is move to Obsidian trash, and second is permanently deleted. So whenever I delete the notes, for example, I select the move to trash, and I want to go back and I want to delete this, right? And I write here and delete file. Note is deleted, and if I go into recycle bin, you can see the book summary of today is there. But now I want that this note will not go here, because whenever someone is come to delete recycle bin, it's wash away, it's gone, it will never recover. But the second thing is I want that it will, whenever I delete the note, it will store somewhere that I can easily accessible or revisit it. So for this I am going to back to settings, and here is deleted file, and I set the Obsidian trash folder. It's a hidden folder. I will show you even when I go there, right? And select remove it and save it. Now let's see where notes go whenever I delete it. Right, suppose this is my today's date note, and instead to here I click here. So here are some stages or today's note I created and published on my blog, that what are the default stages of Demystify Finance and Operations implementation, right? And I want to delete that note. Let's see where it goes and how can I recover it, right? I right click it and then I go to delete it. note it, delete it. And if I right click here and show me in a system explorer, when I click on it, it goes into my folder, and this is a trash folder, dot trash. It's Obsidian default hidden folder. When I click here, I found what is the stages of finance and operation. So in this way you can recover this note. This is a quick tip. So next I'm going to show you how you create a line number. For this I have to click here in the settings, then editor, and here show the line number. When I click here, line numbers appear. You can see if there is a line is empty, it counts, and when there is no line break, then in that case it goes show a single paragraph as a line. So this is a handy feature that with the help of this you can organize your notes. For example, I want to write 2 to 300 words and not more than 5 to 10 lines maximum. So I can count and write the note and publish on my blog. Font size, and how you can create the zoom of application, right? I'm going back to settings, appearance, and here is, for example, by default size is 16. I want it to 22. Then I have option to reset. When I close it, you can see the font is increased, and when I go back, I don't want it, I can reset from here. It's up to you that which font you want. It's up to you what length your font is. And then we have an option for zoom. Here is zoom. We can reset it. So here is zoom, it's automatically 100%. We can less zoom, you can see it's zoom in, and we can increase to 120%. It's up to you. Everything is 120%, and you can see everything is 120%. I'm going to reset it because I don't want it not more than 100%, so it comes back. So next thing is minimal approach. Sometimes you want to just write notes, you did not want anything more than notes, right? You just want a focus words. You did not want different types of menus. You did not want this menu, did not want title, did not want this and that. A minimum approach, not a header, everything. So you can approach this. Here is the option that right click, appearance, and here is the option that show inline title, hide title bar, hide your ribbon. And when you set this and click on here, you can see menu is gone, here is gone, header, page title is gone. And if you click just here, this is a simple text editor where you can write with the focus. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you like, visit my Udemy course on Obsidian. Thank you for watching.